Welcome back to Recycled and Saved. We've got a 2000 Suzuki rm250. Doesn't have any fancy graphics on it, but really clean bike. You know, radiators are clean, pipe's not all banged up. Doesn't have a ton of wear on the paint. I think this was pretty much a farm kid bike for running around in the fields. And you can see the tires wore down, that he didn't mind just riding it that way. So again, I think you can kind of tell, really clean, solid bike. Everything's tight, everything's snug. And rm250, everything was pretty much the same, 96 to 2000. A lot of the stuff fits on the 125, and some of it fits on the newer bikes as well. When I ran it, it ran through the gears really solid. The clutch seemed good. I would just take this motor and run it. But if somebody's looking for a builder, this could be a great motor too. Remember to subscribe down below, see what else we're working on. But let me get this thing started up. It should still be warm. I just ran it and put it up here. I got it off the truck. So if you need parts for an rm250, 2000, or probably 96 to 2000 rm125 or 250, or later RMs, let us know. Rims look good and straight, wheels look solid, brakes work great, suspension seems snug. Again, everything about it is pretty good, clean, unharassed bike. And remember to subscribe to see what else we're taking apart. Thanks for watching.